1969 Pontiac GTO, guys. This is a 400 Ram Air car. Carousel red. To me, it's orange, but Carousel red. This is the actual color, and that's what they call it, but to me, it is orange. And to everyone, Carousel red does mean orange. But anyway, as you can see, the Ram Air setup, you got power steering, new booster on the front power disc. You got the air conditioning factory unit there, nicely painted under the hood, guys. New alternator and good battery in the car. This one's got the hood tack, super nice paint. The body has a frame off restoration. It's got the correct Pontiac wheels with the BFGs on it. Beautiful door lips, original pinch welds. Beautiful door panels, door sill plates, inner outer jambs are gorgeously done. Excellent bucket seats, his and hers automatic shifter with the center console. Nice weather stripping throughout, nice glass trim. Rear seat with the belts, nice clean package tray. Headliners tight with the dome light functioning, as you can see. Beautiful paint, nice shine through it. No bubbles, no rips. Nice chrome front and back. Excellent trunk with numbers matching rear quarters. And I slide my hand underneath here, guys. I don't see any rips, cuts. In order for it to be a partial quarter, I believe that these quarters are original with the factory numbers on there from GM. So nice trunk, rear spoiler. Dual exhaust, beautiful on the passenger side as well. On the interior, exterior, they did a real clean job. I mean, they took the striker off. They did a really nice paint and body work on this car. And underneath is just as beautiful as well. So there you have it, guys. Beautiful GTO, ready for the next owners. Let's move on to the interior. Like I mentioned earlier, really nice door panels. Nice wooden classic steering wheel. A-pillars are nice. Dash is excellent. All the cluster gauges, everything looks nice. Center console with the his and her shifter. If you guys need financing, it is available. You will need about $7,000 down and 10% of the purchase price. Now, if your credit score is between let's say 620 to 775, 10% down. You will need, obviously, good credit, and all the approvals are based off your credit profile. For those of you with a 780 and higher credit score, I might be able to get this done with the no money down option. Okay, beautiful all around. Okay, now if you need delivery, you can call or text me at 847-848-1850. If you guys wanted some upgrades done to the car, like maybe let's say Bluetooth Kenwood radio with Alexa on there, and it dials into your phone, your Bluetooth setup with kick panel speakers and rear deck 6x9s. We have that we can do for an additional $1,350 installed. We also can do a rear view mirror with a 7-inch LED screen for a backup camera if you wanted to do so as well. We can do tinted windows if you wanted to. Anything that you want to do to this car can be rolled into your loan. Okay, so keep that in mind as well. Warranty packages start at $695, so you get a warranty on the driveline. So stuff like that. If you need transportation, call or text me. Your zip code, my number is 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. Thanks for watching, MGM. We'll talk soon.